Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to add skills in LinkedIn. Guys, if you have some skills, then these skills are going to be very beneficial for you and for your LinkedIn account. So because there are so many jobs linked to your skills, and you must have to add your skills in LinkedIn account. So how will you add your skills in your LinkedIn account? Then you have to go on your account and click on your profile, and here you will see add profile section, and in this section you can add so many things. So I am going to add here my skills. Just simply scroll down, and here you have an option which is add skills. Click on it, and here you can add your skills. Like if you are a graphic designer, then you can write here graphic designing. And if you know about something in web designing, you can add web designing. And if you have an other skill, like if you know about MS Office, Microsoft Office, then you can add this. And these are the skills, and if you have one of them, and if you have something different from them, you can add your skills from here. So once you're done with your skills, then click on save. And if you want to add more skills in your account, then click on add skills, and here write your skills. Like I am writing over here graphic designing, and I am going to add it by clicking on save button. And these two skills will be shown on my profile. People who are looking for hiring linked to these skills will be contact to you or will be approach you. So guys, this is how to add skills in LinkedIn. Hope this video will be helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.